Peace Divine, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. If you're enjoying the content, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can be notified of more videos. And I miss my divines, so I wanted to come on here and make a lovely quick video of a juice. You see my Nama juicer. And I just wanted to make a quick juice. This juice, as you can see in the title, is for headaches, but of course it's nourishing, so you could drink it for just general health. So the ingredients that I'm using today, I'm using some kale, and I am using some apple. I'm also using some celery, and I'm using some cucumber. If you need to remove the skin for any particular reasons, health, personal, you can definitely, of course, do that. I don't mind. And I'm also using some lime. And this time I'm going to leave the skin, but of course you can remove the skin if you want as well. So as always, I'm going to leave the tips and the recipe and the benefits and everything else in the description, of course. First, I'm going to put my soft ingredients in the Nama juicer. I'm going to put my kale. And I'm not going to really make a lot. I just wanted to make a quick video because I missed my divines, okay? So we're going to put the kale in. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put the celery in as well. And the celery in. I'm going to put the apples in. And now I'm going to put the cucumbers in. And like I said, I'm leaving the skin, but remember, if you want to remove the skin for particular reasons, remove the skin. Okay, and I'm going to put the lime. You could definitely use lemon in this recipe. All right, and this will probably make, I'm thinking this is probably going to make probably 10 to 15 ounces. Maybe about 10 ounces. I love to guess. Let's juice this up. Okay, and we are done. So let's see how much juice it made. Like I said, I think it is about 10 ounces. I don't know. Oh, this smells interesting. I mean, because I left the skin on the lime. It's really interesting. This made like 15 ounces of juice. And I'm going to strain this, and then we are going to try it. Okay, so I finished straining the lovely juice. And what are our ingredients for this juice? We have cucumber, we have celery, we have lime, we have apple, right? We have kale, and you can add ginger to this juice as well. I did not add ginger, but I wish I did. So I will put that in the description. Okay, let's try it. Really good. And as you'll see in the description, I'm using 2 apples, so it gives it some really nice sweetness, and the lime makes it taste so yummy. And so I want to thank my precious divines for stopping at Montauk Avenue. And I want you all to continue to be well, be true to yourself, abundantly blessed. As always, peace, divines. And be sure to check out my other juicing videos. Peace, divines.